Tiggy. 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 Tigger. Oh, he looks so scary. Tigger, why are you hiding? Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding? Meow. 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 Hi. He's so cute. He's so hyper. Look at how hyper our child is. Gosh. So, I have no idea what is in his food. I need to buy him freaking new food or something. Tiggy. Tiggy. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. That was cute. Tiggy. What the hell are you chasing on my bed? What the hell? Tigger. He's crazy. Tiggy. He's gonna chase the camera now, watch. He likes my hand. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Okay, no. So hyper, baby. Watch. He is so ready to like pounce on me. He's so cute. Hi, hi, hi. I think he wants to be outdoors now because he's getting too bored indoors. Tigger, look at him attacking my pillow. That's not cool. Tigger. Hey, did I give you permission to attack my pillow? Mine. 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 Uh-oh. Pillow versus Tigger. Oh my god. Tiggy. Hey. 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 He looks hella scared. Look at this cat. He's crazy. Hey. Well, you can't see him, but he's down there. Anyway, baby, I love you so much, and I miss you, and it sucks that we can't Skype right now, but you know that I love you so much. I hope you like my little video of Tigger.